bareng Nai and
Pasti.
Yes! Vlog kita kali ini kita akan ngebahas atau ngejawab pertanyaan dari teman-teman semua yang udah dikirim lewat DM aku Instagram atau yang juga ditulis di komen YouTube. So, ya kita mulai aja kan biar cepet gitu. Ya bro, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's go.
Oke, let's go. Pertanyaan pertama ini datang dari Cindy Manurung. Dia punya 2 pertanyaan. Pertanyaan pertamanya mungkin untuk aku ya, gimana reaksinya orang tua pas tahu aku dapat pacar bule? Good question. Gimana?
Ist das eine Frage für dich?
Ja.
oder? Okay.
English honey,
Ja,
they
ja,
don't
okay.
understand German. Reaksi orang tua sebenarnya biasa aja karena waktu kita masih pacaran, aku bilang aku lagi deket sama cowok bule, terus mama sama papa ya gitu. Karena kan ya pasti pacaran gitu kan. Jadi ya mereka flat aja sih, dalam artian flat gitu aja. Terus pas aku bilang aku mau dilamar, nah itu beda lagi ceritanya. Jadi lucunya pas kita masih pacaran, kita udah plan mau ke Indonesia. Terus aku bilang sama papaku, papa kita mau ke Indonesia nih sama Basi, mau ngenalin sama orang tua. Nah kita waktu itu lagi pacaran. Terus papa dong ya, yang Batak Tulen, itu langsung kebakaran jenggot. Terus dia bilang gini, ya udahlah Boru, jangan dibawa ke rumah Boru, kita ketemuan aja di mana gitu. Atau mungkin papa aja datang ke tempat kalian. Terus aku bilang kan, lo papa kan mau ngenalin ke orang tua gitu ya sayang, kamu ngerti aku ngomong apa?
Sedikit aja.
Ya jadi mereka sebenarnya biasa aja, cuman ternyata pas lucunya cuman itu sih, pas aku bilang aku mau main ke Indonesia sebagai pacar, no, nggak dibolehin sama papa. Akhirnya akhirnya karena aku cerita sama dia kayak gitu, aku dilamar. Ya gara-gara itu. Nggak ngerti pasti. Ya gitu deh. Terus pertanyaan kedua, apa yang menarik dari Bang Basti?
This was already the first question.
Yeah.
Already the answer.
Yeah, I answer it. So the second question, apa yang menarik dari Bang Basti dan Kak Nai? So this is for both of us. What is the most interesting about me, in your opinion, and in my opinion about you? So you can answer first. Indonesia, English, whatever. I can help you with that.
Should I try Indonesian?
You can try, sure.
Okay, but I don't know any words, so.
Banyak omong kali. Yeah, say that.
Maybe even in English it's hard for me. I would say the most interesting part or most interesting thing about you is your open-mindedness.
Oh, okay, open-minded. Kirain kan aku cantik
how you
dan
can how you wie ist man eigentlich
cantik.
Na, wie soll ich mal sagen, wie du mal so mit fremden Leuten immer nach dem ersten Mal treffen schon dich gut verstehst oder einfach auf Leute zugehen. So that you approach people even if you don't know them.
Yeah,
and you can start talking with them immediately after the first
Talkative.
talkative.
Yeah, this is kind of like talkative people. Yeah.
Sometimes I'm too narrow-minded, I think, and you're just open-minded and see all possibilities coming to us. So that's good. I like it very much. That's something I don't have. So.
Oh, jadi
Yeah.
kita kayak saling melengkapi ya bro. So apa yang aku paling suka dari sisi Bro Basti? Dia ini orangnya sabar banget. Apalagi punya istri orang Batak ya kan. Aku salah makan dikit bisa marah. Aku kentut dikit bisa marah. Aku apa-apa dikit langsung marah. Nah, doi sabar banget. Jadi itu sih yang paling aku salut sama dia. Bukannya aku paling suka lagi, aku salut sama dia karena dia benar-benar bisa ngadepin aku yang nggak sabaran. Iya bro, nggak sabaran.
That's very true.
Sorry bro. By the way ini kameranya ntar mati sendiri loh 12 menit kemudian. Nah it's okay.
Yeah,
We should use timer. So second question.
Do you see when it stops recording?
It will send signal, but we will see after that. I mean, it will takes like 12 minutes, so we just need to figure out maybe it's all about 12 minutes or so.
Okay.
So the third question. Ini pertanyaan ketiga itu dari Aisyah dan Jessie. Pengen tahu sifat Bang Basti yang sering bikin kakak kesel dan sebaliknya. Alright, so they want to know which kind of personality that you really hate from me, from our both sides, so me from you.
What I hate from you, from your personality?
Yes. That makes you angry anytime when like I'm doing it. Nothing, nggak ada. Memang aku tuh istri paling baik sedunia. Nggak ada yang bisa bikin dia marah.
Yeah, maybe sometimes when you play
Enggak.
when you pay more attention to your smartphone and Instagram
It's just
than
like
me.
it's just a few days ago. Biasanya aku tuh istri perhatian banget, Bang. Kok abang gitu sih?
Don't defend yourself. It's just as it is.
No. Tuh kayaknya mereka nggak ngerti. Jadi kalau aku nggak bikin running text nggak ada yang ngerti. Nggak ada aku tuh kayaknya nggak ada.
Translate to something completely different. Oh, she's cantik banget dia.
Well, itu
Nggak ada yang.
Okay, now it's my turn. You are done.
Oh, already.
Okay, well, what I hate the most from him, I think he know himself. Guess it.
Tell me, I don't know.
Guess it. Because I'm telling you like several times, don't forget stuff. Si abang ini paling gampang lupa. My God. Nanti kita lagi ngomongin sesuatu nih ya. Terus udah nih. Aku kan orangnya selalu ingat apa aja yang diomongin.
Oke, sudah.
Terus besoknya.
Next question.
Terus nanti aku udah kita obrolin, terus aku tanya, iya kan sayang? Terus dia bilang apa? Hah? Tadi kita beli telur, kita kemarin udah beli telur, terus dia buka kulkas, dia lihat telur tinggal dikit. Loh, kita nggak punya telur sayang. Lah, yang beli telur dia loh kemarin.
Okay, sudah.
Hah?
Sudah.
Pusing.
Oke.
Oke, sudah. Malu bang. Ya, ini pertanyaan dari Helena Siagian. Nina, teman dekat aku banget. Pertanyaannya, enakan tinggal di mana? Di Salzburg atau Vancouver?
That's difficult.
Di
Well,
mana?
I cannot say. I think as I grew up in Salzburg, I will always have the connection with Salzburg and Austria.
I like to stay here better. It's easy for me to answer.
Thanks for letting me finish. That's also one of the things that I like most about you.
No, you love me so much that nothing get your head about me.
So I would say it's really hard to compare. Both countries have their benefits and their place in my heart. I would say so.
Yeah,
it's really difficult.
I like Vancouver. It's a city, man. So it's not like a countryside. There's nothing you can do there. But yeah, I love Salzburg as well. Don't take me
Tapi
like
kamu
wrongly.
orang kampung.
No, I am not. Oh yes, I am. Okay. Wow, this is very interesting question. The next question. From
What the?
No, we can just answer. This is okay. From 1 to 10.
Too
much.
mal zu sagen, ja.
Okay, that's true. Do you like Nancy's cooking? You like it? Sorry, I want to. So. Do you like my cooking?
Ganz schön frech, muss ich mal sagen.
Ich musste meine Haare weg. So. Alter.
Okay. Yes, I like your cooking. It's really good. You should cook more often.
Aku selalu bilang dia ini orangnya apa ya, kalau bahasa Indonesianya, kalau bahasa Jerman itu genuksam. Itu artinya gampang puas. Karena aku masakin apa, aku gorengin telur aja udah bahagia gitu, saking cintanya sama istrinya.
Okay.
Benar. Nah, ini pertanyaan ini nanya banyak banget sayang. Yang nanya itu si Sinta Manulang, Evan Simatupang, kayak kalau nggak salah, Natalia Simanjuntak. Pertanyaannya, apa alasan yang mutusin kakak milih Bang Bro and other way around? You got the question? What was the reason why you decide why did you pick me as your wife? And that's the question for me as well.
Oh.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, because you.
Beautiful.
You're beautiful. because you complete my me and my personality.
Because I complete him.
Yeah, and when I met you, I noticed this that we have a good match with our personality.
Okay.
And darf ich mal sagen, dass du in meiner Wohnung gewohnt hast eigentlich vor der Hochzeit?
Nein. Sensor.
Okay, so because she completes me.
Okay. Diulang-ulang. Nah, kalau aku kenapa? Karena aku tahu kalau dia orang yang tepat. Karena dulu waktu aku pernah sakit, waktu kita masih pacaran, dia ada buat aku. So this is how you know if whether a guy or a person this is that fits for you or like your future person if they are for you in any kind of situation in your life. So dan Abang Basti was the one, right bro? Oh, cucu banget. Okay, next question. Apa nih yang bagus nih bro? Yang mana bro? Kita tadi udah yang ini. Gimana cara kalian mengatasi pasangan yang lagi marah atau bad mood? Ini pertanyaan Sinta.
Hah?
How do you when your partner get angry and then how you like face it? How do you face it?
Oh, when she gets angry, I will cheer her up, I guess.
Oh.
The other way around, when I'm angry, she
No,
gets...
I cheer him up as well. Right, baby? Oh, baby.
Didn't we already answer this question?
Yeah, but the video was cut.
When,
This is the second thing.
when I'm angry, she gets angry too, and I just go away.
That's how we roll, ladies, right? It's just how the ladies work, right? Not just only me, all the girls in the world. And okay.
But I don't get angry. Actually, it's only her.
Okay.
Just to make this very clear.
So, what is the romantic things you that from your partner that you will never forget? What? You have it.
What?
Think.
What was the most romantic thing you have done for me? Something like this?
Something like that.
Um,
Oh dia lupa, maklum dia pelupa, udah gitu aja, dia nggak akan ingat apapun.
ada acaranya?
Apa sih?
Atau nggak ada?
Apa?
Acara romantis.
Acara,
Scientific.
ya. Do you remember something or not? Well dia pelupa, jadi maklum aja kalau nggak ada jawabannya.
I think you're not
See?
very romantic.
No, itu dia ngeles aja karena dia nggak ingat apa-apa.
No. I'm romantic.
No,
but,
he's not.
But you're not very romantic.
I am very romantic, bro.
Yeah. What was the most romantic thing you did for me?
You need to remember it. I don't know. It's like 1,000. How can I remember that?
Name one.
Yeah, I can't remember that. There's a lot. Like every day.
One?
I make you breakfast.
Okay. What was the most romantic thing I did for you?
I don't know. I can't remember that.
Okay. She makes me breakfast. That's really nice. Ich bin wirklich genügsam, glaube ich.
Sih dia udah gampang puas. Jadi kamu ceplokin telur aja itu udah paling romantis berarti.
Okay, the other way around.
Okay, well, kalau dari aku hal paling romantis itu waktu dia main piano di gereja di acara pemberkatan nikah.
Iya.
Itu romantis banget. Jadi sebenarnya agak aku todong sih ya. Kalau lu nikahin gue, lu main piano di gereja. Awas. Terus dianya. Oh, tapi kan aku nggak ada tapi-tapian. Dan dilakuin dong beneran ya ampun, saking cintanya ya. Oke, ya itu komputer. Next question itu gimana rasanya tinggal di Vancouver sayang?
How do you like staying in Vancouver?
Yes.
We already answered this question before.
No, but
Like whether I like it more than staying in Vancouver or in Salzburg.
No, but this is more like how do you feel to live here? This is more specific.
I like the city very much.
Yes.
It's a great city.
Country.
When we moved here, it was
Countryside
rainy.
boy.
It was rainy.
Mountain boy. Okay.
You are the orang kampung in our family.
No. Salzburg is small.
But it was rainy a lot, so when we came here in January, but the summer should be really nice, and even now it's getting really sunny outside, and
So nice.
and the city, when it's sunny, it's really a nice city.
Yeah. So I will say so. So we love being here, right? We like it.
Definitely.
Yes. Next question. This is from Jessie. Oh, that was the first question. Was also the question before was also from Jessie, and the second question from her. What are our favorite foods? Food.
Oh. Okay.
I like bakso.
She likes bakso. I like Asian food very much.
Oh yeah.
Of course.
Ini muka aja bule.
But since we came here, I also really enjoy burgers a lot. They have really good burgers here in town.
So what a bad news. News. Yeah,
Like not a fast food burger, but really like restaurant, very
yeah,
good
okay,
quality
that's
burger.
So should we go eating burger after this?
Okay, let's go. No.
Joyous thing. Okay, this is for Basti. Rasanya punya istri orang Indonesia dan Batak. Tell how do you
What does it mean?
How do you feel to have an Indonesian wife,
I don't
especially a Batak?
How do I feel about having an Indonesian wife?
I don't
It's
feel like
it's really great. I love the Indonesian culture. I'm learning bahasa Indonesia when I can, and I think Indonesia is a great country. When we went there in 2016, I really loved it because it's hot there. I guess Europeans just love to
He's
go
like
to countries
something
where
hot,
it's hot.
He likes something hot. He likes something hot.
And the people are so friendly. All day the people hugged me when I came there, and it was really nice getting to know them. And like my wife is a very friendly and open-minded person, and so are the Indonesian people. And that's what I like the most. The culture, I like it really much.
Oh, and then Batak is not a problem at all.
And Batak as well, of course. The Batak, I met a lot of Batak people down there, and like, they were all singing every evening Lagu Batak, and this was really a nice thing. I like playing guitar myself, and I like singing, so that it matched really good for me.
Okay.
Next question.
Next question. Okay, this is from Novi Imoliana. Pertanyaannya, ada culture shock nggak yang dialami waktu awal-awal pacaran dan menikah?
Should I have been saying like something in Batak before? Like
No,
teman-teman.
no, it's okay. Keep it for the next time. Huh? We make them curious. So, culture shock, honey, do you have? Is this for us?
No. I don't have a culture shock.
Yeah, me as well. Because like he's kind of like kayak bunglon gitu loh. Jadi dia gampang banget beradaptasi. Aku juga. Jadi kita bunglon ketemu bunglon. Jadi ya kita nggak punya culture shock banget gitu. Karena ini muka bule, perut Asia, nggak repot gitu kan. Jadi awal-awal kita ketemu ya paling cuma adaptasi kepribadian ya. Tapi dia orangnya udah kayak gimana ya? Perfect.
Okay, whatever you just said.
This is from Imelda Nainggolan. Kapan rencana mau ke Indonesia lagi?
As soon as possible.
As soon as possible.
Hopefully this year, maybe by the end of this year.
Yeah.
Really as soon as possible. I miss Indonesia already. And that's not something I just said because we are on YouTube or somewhere.
See. Okay, this question is very funny. This is questionnya dari Maria Monica dan Tina. Pernah nyobain pete, jengkol, durian nggak? Suka nggak?
Whether I like pete and durian?
Exactly. Well, have you tried that before, and then?
I have to be honest. Pete stinks like rotten socks, and durian is not worse, but it smells in a different kind of way, but also not very good.
Jadi dia bilang.
But I tried pete. I have tried durian yet, but I
No, you've tried durian, jengkol.
Okay. Yeah. But I tried the pete because she cooked it, and I was really curious, and I tried it, and I didn't like it.
He washed his mouth. Dia cuci mulut sampai 20 kali, gosok gigi.
Yeah.
Karena kayak rasa kaos kaki busuk, katanya. Aduh, loh, udah sayang itu aja.
Okay.
Yeah, we answer all your question. So, yang masih kepo, yang masih ada pertanyaan, ya udah deh tanyain aja. Mungkin kalau banyak yang nanya, kita bikin sesi kedua ke question and answer ya. We will make part 2 if like many of them still have questions.
Sure. Yep.
Ya. Oke, thank you teman-teman yang udah nonton. Sebenarnya ini pertanyaan banyak, tapi kita cuma pilih-pilih mana yang mau kita jawab gitu ya. Alright, semoga menyenangkan. Apa coba? Iya. Oke, itu aja. Jangan lupa subscribe, jangan lupa like, jangan lupa apa lagi? Jangan lupa berdoa loh.
Share.
Jangan lupa share.
Yep.
Biar makin banyak yang nonton. Gitu deh. Oke.
Bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Kemana sayang?
Oh, this is not